Introduction. The following operations are used to replace the cylinder seal in the event of oil leakage from one of them. Make sure to carry out the operations in compliance with safety regulations. These operations must be carried out exclusively by trained and qualified personnel. Personnel required for the operation. Number 2 people. Equipment needed. Protective gloves. Protective glasses. Fixed wrench number 30. Fixed wrench number 32. Hose tie. Rubber hammer. Allen screw wrench diameter 5. Stem extraction tool. Step 1. Once you have identified the cylinder that is leaking oil, place a container under it to contain the leaking oil. Close the press plates with a pressure of at least 100 bar. Once the set pressure is reached, press the emergency mushroom button.
Step 2. Insert the anti-fold devices of the moving platen. If the anti-fold devices of the moving platen are not present, use the wooden beams. Step 3. Unlock the emergency mushroom button. Then press the button to open the press plates. Step 4. Operator 1 hold the button to open the press plates. Operator 2 help the cylinder rod to re-enter the jacket.
Step 5. Loosen the supply pipe fittings. Then disconnect the supply pipe and rotate it upwards to limit the amount of oil that comes out. Step 6. Remove the cylinder fixing screws. Step 7. Remove the cylinder from the press and place it on a flat surface. Step 8. With the help of a colleague, remove the stem from the cylinder. Use the rubber hammer to make the operation easier. Step 9. Loosen the cylinder vent Allen screw. Then remove the sealing seager and the upper bushing. Finally, remove the gasket to be replaced and the lower bushing. Step 10. Check that the surface of the rod does not show signs of damage such as scratches or dents. Step 11. Clean the inside of the cylinder liner and then lubricate. Step 12. Clean the lower bushing and insert it into the cylinder liner in the correct direction as shown. Step 13. Insert the new gasket, making sure to turn the white ring upwards as shown. Step 14. Clean the upper bushing and insert it into the cylinder liner in the correct direction as shown. Step 15. Insert the sealing seager and then insert the rod into the cylinder liner. Once the operation is complete, tighten the breather Allen screw. Step 16. Reposition the cylinder in its seat and insert the fixing screws without tightening them completely. Step 17. Reconnect the supply pipe and tighten the fittings. Once the operation is complete, tighten the cylinder fixing screws completely. Step 18. Close the press plates by setting the pressure to 100 bar and wait for the rods to reach the moving platen. Once the set pressure has been reached, disengage the anti-fall devices of the moving platen wooden beams. Step 19. Perform an opening and closing cycle of the plates by setting the pressure to 50 bar. Once the set pressure is reached, loosen the vent Allen screw. Let the air vent and let a few drops of oil come out. Once the operation is complete, tighten the vent Allen screw completely. Finally, repeat the vent operation on all the other cylinders. Step 20. Perform a closing and opening cycle of the planes and check that there are no more oil leaks from the cylinders.